Out in the wild, resourcefulness is key. For centuries, humans have relied on nature's gifts for survival. One of the oldest and most versatile materials is bone. Bone tools were essential for our ancestors. They used them for hunting, crafting, and everyday life. Bone tools are incredibly durable. They can withstand tough conditions. This makes them ideal for survival situations. Their versatility is unmatched. You can make a sharp knife or a delicate needle from a single bone. Learning this ancient skill connects us to our past. It also equips us with valuable knowledge for the future. Before you begin crafting, you need the right materials. The best bones for tools come from the legs of large animals. These bones are strong and dense. But remember, always source bones ethically and legally. Never harm animals for their bones. Check with local butchers or farmers. They may have leftover bones you can use. Once you have your bones, clean them thoroughly. Remove any remaining flesh or tissue. Boil the bones for several hours to sterilize them. This will ensure your tools are safe to handle. Now let's make some tools. An awl is a pointed tool used for piercing holes. To make an awl, select a long, thin bone. Use a saw to cut the bone to your desired length. Then use a file to sharpen one end into a point. Needles are essential for sewing and repairs. Find a small, thin bone for your needle. Sharpen one end to a fine point. Then carefully drill a small hole at the other end for the thread. Scrapers are versatile tools for hide working and woodworking. Choose a flat, sturdy bone for your scraper. Shape one edge into a sharp bevel using a file or sandpaper. Bone tools are not just relics of the past, they represent a sustainable future. Using readily available materials like bone reduces waste. It promotes a circular economy. By repurposing what would otherwise be discarded, we lessen our impact on the environment. The potential for bone tools goes beyond traditional uses. New technologies are exploring bone-derived materials. These materials can be used in 3D printing and biocompatible implants. By embracing the ancient craft of bone tool making, we connect with our ancestors' ingenuity. We also pave the way for a more sustainable and innovative future. Remember, survival is about adapting and utilizing the resources around us. So get out there, explore, and discover the endless possibilities of bone tools.